Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre, and this is my daily devotion for December 16. And for today, we are going to once again start a new weekly series. And this series is titled God's Generous Provision. And for today, we are going to talk about how God provides for the righteous. Makikita natin ito sa Psalm chapter 37 verse 25 na nagsasabing, I have been young, and now am old, yet I have not seen the righteous forsaken, or his children begging for bread. Sa Tagalog, ako'y naging bata, at ngayon matanda na. Gayunmay hindi ko nakita na ang matuwid ay pinabayaan, ni ang kanyang mga anak ay namamalimos ng tinapay. So, this shows God's power, no? Because God is more generous to the righteous. Para po sa mga taong tuwid at tunay na sumusunod sa ating Panginoon, God's generosity is prevalent. Kumbaga, kitang-kita yung pagiging mapagbigay ng ating Panginoon sa kanila. Because God's generosity is generational. Hindi po ito para lang sa'yo. Kapag ikaw ay righteous, you will naturally be blessed by God. And in turn, the future generations of your blood will also be blessed. And let's always remember that God's generosity is meant to be experienced, no? It's something that each and every one of us can feel, can appreciate. Ang kailangan lang po natin is sumunod sa Kanya. So be grateful for God's generosity. Kapag nakakatanggap ka ng biyaya, huwag mong kakalimutan mag-thank you sa Panginoon dahil lahat ng nakikita mo, lahat ng nahahawakan mo, lahat ng naiisip mo ay galing sa Panginoon. So be qualified by living a righteous life. Dahil kapag ikaw ay righteous na tao, talagang bibiyayaan ka ng Panginoon. You are qualified to receive His blessings, to receive His grace, to receive His love. So be a blessing to your family. So, kapag binless ka ng Panginoon, ibabless niya pamilya mo and future generations as well. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.